Yo, what up? It's Aaron Moses. Hey, we gotta practice something called unity, man. And the first step that we need to take is understanding that all people are not the same and that racism and prejudiceness is a choice, right? So where I live, I stay in LA, right? A lot of people outside of the black community, when they see me, sometimes they look disgusted. Sometimes they look intimidated. Sometimes they look frustrated. Sometimes they look at me and they have pain in their eyes because because of how a lot of people in the black community, not all, some, not some, respond to poverty and being in a financial deficit and being, which is very unfortunate. But I'm here to tell you, I don't have anything to do with that. Now, looks like me or what have you, yes, you might look at me with some pain in your eyes. You might associate me with crime and criminality and this bully mentality. But at the end of the day, I didn't rob your grandmother. I love your grandmother. I didn't rob your sister. I love your sister. I didn't do this to your brother. I'm not a gangbanger. I'm not stranger danger. At the end of the day, I'm one of the most lovely people, just like a lot of black people. One of the most lovely people you could ever. I'm gonna give you some enlightenment. I'm gonna speak life into your mind, body, and soul because that's what I'm here to do. That's what we're all here to do. Leave something better, than we left it, than we found it. But at the end of the day, that's a choice. Your own prejudiceness are a choice. It's gonna limit you. It's gonna take the life out your body. Prejudice, racism, and hatred is a vampire, man. And if you keep on looking at me and putting me in a position where I feel uncomfortable because somebody did something to you or one of your loved ones that has nothing to do with me, I can't do anything but send you positive energy and pray for you. You think I'm gonna hate you because you wanna hate me? You think I'm gonna make you feel uncomfortable for something somebody else did? Now you're trying to put that on me. I don't have anything to do with that. I'm not the ambassador of Black America, unfortunately. But at the end of the day, it's a proximity issue. It's not like Mexicans don't rob Mexicans, Asians don't rob Asians, white people don't rob white people. All these people do crimes against themselves more than any other race will do. There's nowhere in America where, I don't want to say nowhere, but logically, it makes more sense that Mexicans kill and rob Mexicans more than black people because it's a proximity thing. People commit crimes against people that they're the closest to. Yes, some people go out of their way to go to other people's territories and wreak havoc on them, but at the end of the day, that's not what I do. And if they had that much money, all those resources to do that, I'm sure they wouldn't spend it on robbing people. You think people save up $100 to go to Beverly Hills for gas money and rob people? I'm sure somebody's done that in the history of history, but I'm not responsible for that. I'm not. Now, I did make a statement a long time ago pertaining to me never messing with white women again. If this white woman broke my heart, I don't really. That's not the same thing. That's not the same thing. And I was just joking, okay? I was just joking, and I don't have to do that because I'm engaged. I'm about to get married, so I don't have to worry about that anyway. But not only am I an entertainer, I'm an enlightener, I'm an encourager. I'm a brother. I'm somebody's son. I'm somebody's son. I'm somebody's non-criminal, square, job-having son. Fun-loving, lovable, educated, quick-witted, funny son. Now, I don't deserve anything that I didn't put out into the universe, whether that be bad or good, negative or positive, harmful or helpful. Okay? So don't take it out on me. Don't take it out on me because I might take it out on you. I won't, but it's a possibility because I'm human, because I have a heart too. Because in any situation, any people are susceptible to responding the same. No matter how you were raised, We all have the same instincts. We all have the same cellular structure in which we're going to respond to stimulus, whether that be negative or positive, unless you have issues. And a lot of people do have issues, but at the end of the day, we're still all animals. We still all have the predisposition to be predatorial in the right situation. You want to get mad at black people for robbing certain type of races. Did you get mad at those same people who are a part of that race that did the same thing? No, you did not. Crime is not a black thing. Crime is not a Mexican thing. Crime is not an Asian thing. Crime is not a white people thing. It's a human thing. It's a human thing. Okay? Don't be ignorant. Open your heart. Heal yourself. Don't hate me because I don't hate you. I don't hate anybody in this world as much as I feel like or think like or know like. I don't. I don't want to. I don't want that a part of my body. I don't want that a part of my legacy. I don't want that a part of my name. My name is not Aaron Hatred. It's Aaron Moses. Okay? Fill your body with peace. Drink water. Eat some green fruit. Are there green fruits? There are kiwis. Okay, but at the end of the day, you know what I meant to say. But we're going to be speaking on this topic a little bit more, expanding, contracting, you know, comparing, contrasting on the podcast, like it or not, tomorrow at 2 p.m. Pacific time, 5 p.m. Eastern time, 4 p.m. Central time, with the special guest Claudia Rodriguez talking about plant health, touching on all kind of different interesting topics with Almighty KD, my cousin, with my cousin Cadillac Daddy Trady, and myself, Aaron motherfucking Moses. All right, I'm the band, you the band, we the band together, man. Tune in tomorrow on my Instagram at aaronimoses. No. That's my TikTok. My Instagram is Aaron3_Moses. Okay, Aaron3_Moses. It's going down, man. It's going down like Funky Town. Tune in. It's a pleasure to be able to put out these positive messages and educate the people, entertain the people, and make sure that everybody feels like they are safe emotionally and not alone in this world. Okay, make sure to tune in, share. I love you. It's time for you to love me now. Let's get it, man. I'm the band, you the band, we the band together, man. Life is in the breath. Life is in the breath. Stop hating. Love. Breathe it in. Peace.